Happy Saturday, friends. We are headed to, or really arriving at, a town called Mount Olive in North Carolina. You ever heard of the Mount Olive pickle brand? Pretty sure this is the home of that. And we are heading to the Pickle Festival, which apparently is a really big deal around here. So we're gonna see what it's all about. It started a couple hours ago, but it's an all-day thing. And I think those people are probably walking to it. We're just trying to figure out where we're going to park and all of that. Anyways, so we're gonna check it out. Take you along, see what kind of, I don't know, stuff is happening. There was a Cuke 5K last night. And then there is a pickle eating contest, a recipe contest, music, live music, vendors. I'm assuming lots of opportunities to eat pickles prepared in different ways. So anyways, should be a good time, but we're just trying to figure out, oh, yard sale.
Good timing.
Yeah, it is really good timing. It's very smart to do that. Anyways, we're trying to figure out where to park. It's a big old thing. This is a big event. There's a lot of people. So anyways, should be fun, and we're going to take you along. All right, we finally made it. Well, kind of.
Gospel
We
praise.
got our car parked. I'm not really sure. The music's really loud, so I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film over there. We'll see. Right now, we're just walking. We're just following the noise. I feel like I smell funnel cake somewhere. Maybe I was just smelling the, oh, they got fried Oreos. Scope out. You might want to eat something. Scope out what you might want. It's starting to rain just a little bit.
This is going on.
And we got the whole other side of the railroad tracks. I love funnel cakes. Ooh. See, I'm more of a traditionalist though. It says served with favorite toppings, but I'm more of a simple powdered sugar. I'm kind of a big Bill. I need that shirt.
You need that one? Bills.
There might be inside.
That's okay. Cheers.
So many funnel cake options. Ooh. Peanut brittle. Yo mamas.
Pancakes. Pancake stacks.
Right now we're just browsing all the food. I guess it's time to turn around.
It is. It is.
Okay.
But we did. We came, we saw.
Well, we got a good glimpse of some food and a few vendors. We're gonna go head back and see what else there is. This event is huge. If you are anywhere in the vicinity of Mount Olive, North Carolina, it was a little bit of a drive for us, but not far. And you like outdoor events, it's free to go to. Some of the parking isn't free, but we were able to find free parking. There's a free shuttle at a lot of the parking areas, and it's a pretty large event. And they've got all the vendors. Italian ice. Ooh, I see a handcrafted churros over there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. What am I smelling? Probably churros. There's a whole bunch of more in there. This place is huge. It's a very popular tent. So these are painted ones, but they had a bunch of blank ones to paint. That's cool. Woo! Wind is picking up. Oh, there's a long line. Wonder what's that's for. Well, listen, if you want your pickle gear, if you want pickle earrings, all the pickle things. Oh, I mean, there's never a bad time for fudge. Look at that, mango habanero.
He's doing samples. Trying one?
Okay, you have to get tickets for these, but this is a whole thing. This is a whole...
Strawberry. They're pickles. Didn't they paint them to be pickles today?
This is like a mini fair right here with little rides. We'll take a quick walk around. Wow. Look at this puppet show.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at the scenery back there. Oh, I don't know. Oh,
Next one's at 1:30.
next one's at 1:30.
20 minutes.
We won't be hanging around for it, but that's cool.
I don't wanna lose your grace. Gotta need you every day.
I found what I want for dinner. Bacon wrapped grilled cheese. Chocolate pickles? Ew. I like pickles, but I feel like this is pushing it. Taste of Texas to my Texas friends. I know I got some.
And you can't go in the front. You can only go in the back, and they'll probably let you go out the front.
You're right.
It's fire code.
The line was in the back so that they don't have to block the street here.
And
Alright, just tell the DJ play.
We each got ourselves a free pickle. I got a dill one. Jesse got a hot and spicy. Good deal.
Not bad.
Good dill. That is the joke around here. Fryers. Decided he wanted a fire tonight, so we went driving around looking for wood and found a house that had some wood in the front, and apparently we're buying it from
We are
him.
buying it. It's exactly what we needed. And the Lord helped us find it.
So now I'm scrapping trying to find
And we met Ed.
money.
And Ed is going to be our fireman from Now
I don't know that we can find this house again. We literally just started driving down side roads. Jesse's just making friends, but we got ourselves a load of firewood, so I guess we're having a bonfire tonight. We literally just started turning down some side roads, driving around, and we saw this guy had a stack of wood near the road. It didn't say it was for sale, but when we pulled in, hang on, here I'd show my face. When we pulled in, his dog kind of alerted him that we were here. So we came out and Jesse's like, "Are you selling that?" And he's like, I don't know. I'm not sure what he has it for. But needless to say, he ended up selling us some. So we got $5 worth of firewood in the back. And I guess we're going to go home and have a bonfire. Now Jesse and this gentleman are getting bags of pine cones for the fire. Oh my goodness. This is Jesse making a friend everywhere. Car's filled up though. Our car does not have much room because it's his work vehicle, so it has a lot of work stuff in it. But we're gonna have a good old bonfire tonight. Alright, well, we pulled out our fire pit. Haven't used that since for like 8 years. But we still had it.
considered selling it like 6 times.
We didn't, and now we got a great space. We have a big patch here that doesn't seem to be growing anything. So we're gonna have ourselves a little bonfire. I did grab matches. Figured you'd want those.
Yeah.
It sprinkled on us a little bit, not too much, not enough to make us go inside, but it brought about a beautiful rainbow. And we just finished the night outside as it got dark. The sky was beautiful. And then in the distance, there was a storm that we were able to sit and watch. It wasn't affecting us at all. And it was a beautiful end to a fun Saturday. Thank you guys so much for coming along with us. If you're new here, please subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And stick around to see other day in the life, homemaking type of stuff. Today just happened to be a day out and about. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you the next one. Bye guys.